What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me. We got a 15-minute resistance band workout, alright? So grab your resistance band, no matter what color it is, and join me right here in this workout, alright? Nice and easy. Put that band to the side here. We just march it on out. Just get that body warmed up here. So this is a full body workout with that resistance band. Does not matter what color band you have, you can always adjust your hands, the tension of that band whenever you need to. So that's the handy thing about these bands, is that you always get a good pump no matter how many you have, okay? Each different color is a different resistance, and their travel compatibility, okay? They're easy to travel with. You can bring them anywhere, jog it in place. Just a little bit more, a little bit faster here. Keep it breathing. 1 minute about yet. Get the blood flowing, get the breathing started. This is your workout. You do what you can. We're going to do 2 rounds of each exercise, 2 sets of each. Then we take a breather, then we do it again, okay? We got 3 intervals today. So that means 6 different exercises, and then we're going to finish up with a little ab work at the end. Alright, here we go. Grab your band. Nice and easy. We're starting with that band bent in half, okay? Right here. Stepping to the side. Front lunge. Twist to that bent knee side. Come back. Step it on up. Other side. Keep that back nice and tall. Drop that back knee as close to the ground as you can. Keeping that balance here. Working those legs. Working some obliques, those side abs. Hands right in front of the shoulder. Exhale that breath on that twist and on the come up. Again, just going to the side. Bent knee side. Back to center. Then you step it back up. We will get a 15-second breather in between each interval. So you have that 15 seconds to catch that breath. Wipe some sweat, grab some water, whatever you need to do. Nice job, everybody. Good. Hold that balance, okay? Alright. Band down. 1 foot or 2 feet, you choose. Bicep curls. Palms facing up. Lift on up. So if you have 1 foot and it's a little bit too easy for you, you could always add in a second foot, add a little bit more tension to that band. Focus on the positive coming up, focus on the negative coming down. Good, keep those elbows down. Same form applies here, exhaling that breath as you come on up. But, compared to a weight, you gotta control the negative, the come down of the weight here, okay, of the band. Because if you just let it go, your hands will come down that quick. We don't want that. Control it coming up, control it coming down. Abs engaged, back is tall, feet nice and flat. Then you can have 1 foot or 2 feet in that band. Alright, that's how we adjust it. That's how we adjust the tension. We make it easier, we make it more challenging. However you're feeling today. Alright, back into that front lunge with that twist. I'll show you the side this time. Step it forward. Twist to that bent knee side, come back up. Other side. Good. Hold that balance. Twist. Onto that bent knee side. Back to center. Come back on up. Hands right in line with the shoulders. Working obliques, working those legs. Working a little bit of shoulders. Working that core, keeping that back tall. Stay balanced. Again, that back knee as close to the ground as you can. We're aiming for about 90-degree knees. Good job, everybody. We got bicep curls for 1 more set coming up after this. Then we got that 15-second breather. Do whatever you need to do. Then we get right back into it. Alright, bicep curls 1 more time. 1 foot or 2 feet, you choose. Go on up. Squeeze that bicep. Exhale that breath. Control it coming down. Again, if there's even 2 feet, you can even widen that stance a little bit. It's all about the tension in that band. Adding more tension, decreasing that tension, adjust accordingly. Good. Elbows, they stay down. Hands coming up all the way to the shoulders, all the way back down. Full range of motion here. Keep it breathing. Control the band. Don't let it control you. If you're losing control of that band, or if you're going too fast, or you can't get those arms over you right here, loosen up the tension. Bring it to one foot if you need to, okay? Right here. Totally fine. This is your workout. You do what you can. You challenge yourselves and relax. Take that 15-second breather. Wipe some sweat. Grab some water if you need to. And then we'll get right back into it, okay? Alright, nice and easy. Just coming down just a little bit. Alright, here we go again. We're working those pull aparts. This is working some upper back, some shoulders. You're gonna find your distance on that band, hands apart. Open up nice and wide. Come back to front. Hands right in line with the shoulders. If you're here and you can't pull it too much, too far, open up that grip. Open up that band. Lengthen it a little bit more. Alright, that's up to you. You challenge yourselves. The brilliance of the band is you can adjust that tension anytime you need to. 30 seconds. Again, you're pulling apart. Trying to get those arms almost straight here, okay? Squeezing those shoulder blades. Right there, okay? Opening up that chest. Pulling that band apart. Stretching that band out. Good job, everyone. Keep going. Keep it breathing. Feeling it. Feeling it in the upper back here. Alright, we're getting into a shoulder press. This time we're going to drop it down to the ground. Okay, you could grab a towel, you could grab a mat if you don't have one right now. You could do one foot or one knee in the band. Right here. Band in front of the hands. Shoulder press up. Okay. Make sure that knee is flat against the ground here. We don't want that band slipping from underneath us and hitting us. Again, you can do one knee or two knees. Adjust accordingly. If you want, you can also go into a lunge form here with the hand, with the foot underneath it, and you push up right here, okay? You can be in this position. Again, grab a towel, grab a pillow for the other knee if you need it. Good, exhaling that breath as you press on up. Get that band up. Band is in front of those hands here, okay? You see my position, those bands are coming down right in front of the wrist here. Alright, stand it back up, back into that pull apart. Again, try and tighten up that band just a little bit more, just to give you that little extra challenge here. Pull apart. Stretch that band out. Rip that band apart. Good, hands in line with those shoulders. Opening up that chest. Great job. How are we doing? Good. Staying flexed, I hope. Alright, staying fit, staying flexed, you know the deal. It's all about you challenge yourselves. It's working that progress, reaching that goal, that fitness goal. Alright, even these workouts, they're short workouts you can do anywhere, especially this band one. Do it anywhere, anytime that you have a band with you. Good. Breathe. Exhale that breath as you pull apart. One more. Then we bring it back down. Back into that shoulder press. Again, you can have a knee over that band. You can have a foot over that band. You pick. Band in front of the wrist. Push up. Good. Nice job, everybody. And just a little bit if you need to. Good. Working those shoulders here. Breathe in. Stay tall. Keep that back tall. Keep that knee planted on the ground. Adjust accordingly if you need to. Almost there. 20 more seconds, okay? And then we get another break after this. Good job, everybody. Almost there. Give me one more. And relax. Take that break. Grab some water. Wipe that sweat. How we doing, squad? Good. Still with me here. Feeling those arms. Okay, feeling that pump. Who would have known you could still get a pump? If you're used to weights, this is a good switch up of your workout routine. Alright, grab your band. We're doing a tricep kickback here. One foot on that band. Elbows 90. Just kick it back. Okay, if you need a little bit more of the band, you can always wrap those hands around the band even more. Pull back. Just to get a little bit more squeeze. Good job. 9 degrees. Full extension back. Elbows are staying right in place, okay? They're not moving anywhere. Chest is towards the ground. Okay, stay solid. Stay grounded here. Exhale that breath. Great job, everybody. Again, pull more of that band if you need to. Grab more of it if you need to. Grab less of it if you need to. Stay grounded, stay solid. Alright, bring it on up. We're gonna bend that band in half. Doing some lat pull downs here, coming behind the head and up. Squeezing those shoulder blades. Side view. Right there. Okay. Elbows coming down. Past your shoulders. Working up and back here, working the lats. Okay. Awesome. Keep going. 30 seconds left. Then we're going back into those kickbacks. Pull that band apart as you pull down. If half a band is too hard, you just do a little bit extra right here. Just bring it in a little bit tighter. You could be here too. Alright, if you need that little breathing there of the band, just loosen up that grip. Bring it back to that half. One more. Tricep kickback. 1 foot down. Elbows 9 degrees, chest towards the ground. Extend that. Again, if you need to, wrap the hands around the band even more. Give you a little bit more attention, a little bit more of a workout. Exhale. Back in. Elbows stay in place. They're not moving anywhere. Good. Again, you're imagining you're trying to give something to someone behind you, okay? You're like in a relay race. You're handing them the baton. You extend your arm all the way back and bring it on back in. Nice and controlled. More controlled, the better. You get a better squeeze in the triceps. Chest towards the ground still. Exhaling. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. One more. Alright, lat pull down, band in half, or you just hold that band a little bit tighter together. Kick. Come on down, and up. Keep that chest open. Good job. Great job, squad. Feel it in the upper back now. Great job. 30 seconds left, everybody. Keep it going. Keep pulling that band. Again, band coming behind the head, that upper shoulders here, behind the shoulders, upper back. Elbows coming to the side. Squeeze and release. Good. Relax, take a little breather. We're gonna put the band to the side for now, okay? We got finish off with some abs here. We're gonna work a low plank, hip dips, okay? Alright, 2 more seconds. Alright, we bring it down into a low plank here on the elbows, palms are down, hips in line. You're going side to side here. Keep it breathing. Key here, don't hold that breath. Hips don't have to hit the ground if you can't. Just do what you can. Your toes, side to side. Rotating around those toes here. Getting the hips back and forth, yeah. Abs engaged, core tight, belly button tight, hands down. Elbows straight below the shoulders. Great job. Side to side. Keep it going. Last 20 seconds, we're going to just hold a low plank here. Keep those hips steady, keep them in line. Adjust accordingly if you need to. Keep it breathing. Okay, back is flat. You got a nice, good beverage right there on the back. You don't want to spill any of it. Keep it breathing. And relax. Child's pose. Great job today. Reach those hands forward, sit those heels back. Feel that stretch right in the upper back. Can you reach those hands a little bit more forward? Sit the bottom back a little bit lower. Alright, bring it on up. Roll the shoulders back. Nice and easy. Catching that breath. Roll them forward. Arm coming across, pull that elbow in. Stretching out the shoulder. Again, resisting that front arm, okay? Resisting the arm you're pulling in with. You're fighting against each other, basically. Each arm is fighting against each other. Switch sides, you feel a little bit more stretch when you add that resistance against that front arm. Right across, all the way, arm straight. One arm coming above the head. Fingertips down the spine, pull it on over. Switch. Keep it breathing. Remember, it's always important to stretch after you work out, okay? Check out my stretch and recovery videos if you need a little bit extra here. Alright, bring those arms behind, chin coming up, pull open. Open up that chest. Bring those arms forward, chin down. Round the upper back here. Reach it on up. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post workouts weekly, so you want to stay up to date with those. And give me a thumbs up if you like this workout and you want to see more resistance band workouts. Alright, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And great job, everybody. I'll see you next time. Remember, stay fit, stay flex. Have a good one.